Salut tout le monde et bienvenue à Language Fluent. Je suis Reva et je suis votre enseignante de français. Hello everyone and welcome to Language Fluent. My name is Reva and I am your French tutor. And today we will be looking at some French articles, that is, les articles en français. Et voilà. Okay, so proceeding on to speak about articles in French, they are divided into two categories, which is les articles définis and les articles indéfinis, which means definite articles and indefinite articles. So basically, definite articles are used to refer to a noun or an object which is known, designated or specified. So when you're speaking about a specific person or a specific object like the book, the girl, the boy, you use definite articles. On the contrary, when you are referring to an unknown or unspecified object or person, you use indefinite articles. That is a girl, a book. So we are not specifying which book over here, hence we are using indefinite articles. So in French, there are definite and indefinite articles used separately for singular, plural, masculine, feminine, and for words starting with a vowel. So in terms of les articles définis, we have four types, which is le, la, les, and l'apostrophe. Now le is used to refer to masculine singular person or object. Then la is used for feminine singular person or object. Then we have les, which is used for plural, no matter whether it's a specified feminine or masculine group or whether it's a mixed group. Les is used for plural in all categories. And l'apostrophe is used when the word starts with a vowel. We will shortly be looking at examples of each, so do not worry, I will be explaining each of it with an example. Now, in contrary, we have indefinite articles, that is les articles indéfinis, which again have three types: un, une, and des. Un is used for masculine singular nouns or objects. Une is used for feminine singular nouns or objects. And des is used for, again, plural. So guys, let me reiterate the pronunciations of all of the articles. Les articles définis, le, la, les, l'apostrophe. Les articles indéfinis, un, une, and des. Okay, so now moving on to examples of these articles. In the first image, we have a boy, so it's written le garçon. Now we are using the article le, which is a definite article, because we are speaking about a specific boy over here. So we are saying the boy, and we are not saying a boy, we are saying the boy. So we are using le garçon. Then in the image right next to it, we have the girl that we are specifically referring to. So we are saying la fille. So it's the girl, the specific girl that we're talking to about in the image. So we have le garçon and la fille. Then we have les enfants. So here we have a mixed group of children, masculine, feminine, no matter what, and we are referring them together. So we are saying les enfants because they're plural. But again, we are referring to this specific group. So we are saying the children. So we are referring to these specific children. So we are saying les enfants. Then comes l'apostrophe. So when we are using l'apostrophe, we have to know that it could have been le or la, but we are eliminating the vowel that comes in le and la, that is e and a, and we are using an apostrophe for ease of pronunciation, right? So we use it only when the word, that is the noun or the subject, starts with a vowel. So we have basically homme, which means a man. So H vowel. So we are going to not say le homme, and we are going to club it and we are going to say l'apostrophe homme. Hence we use l'apostrophe whenever a subject starts with a vowel, no matter whether it's feminine or masculine. So it becomes l'homme, the pronunciation, which means the man. So we're again referring to the specific man. So we're saying l'homme. Coming to indefinite articles, we again have this example of homme when we want to refer to a man. So we say un homme. So I am talking about no matter what man over here, it's unidentified, it's unspecified, and so I can say un homme, so a man. Similarly, I say une femme, so a woman. Here also we are not specifying which woman exactly, we're just saying une femme, so it becomes a woman. And à la fin, we have des adultes. So here again, we are referring to adults as a generalized terminology. We're not specifying any specific group of adults. So we're saying des adultes. So, for example, if I want to say adults are wise, so I'm going to not say les adultes, but I'm going to say des adultes sont sages, right? So these were the examples of articles. So hi guys, I hope this video was useful to you, and if you like the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Language Fluent, and stay tuned for more such videos on basic French grammar and vocabulary. Au revoir and à bientôt.